Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming drivers and app are ready. This avoids weird missing features. Open the Intel Graphics Command Center now and allow any required permissions so the UI can access your display. Once the app loads, make sure no other GPU-heavy programs are running because they interfere with real-time previews. You'll see Home, Display, Video, and System tiles. Focus on Display first. This gets you into the working area immediately and prevents wasted steps later. You now adjust core display settings to match the hardware. Choose the native resolution and the highest stable refresh rate. This ensures sharp visuals and smoother motion. Once done, tweak scaling so text and UI elements are readable across monitors, and create a custom resolution if a secondary display needs it. If your monitor supports HDR or specific color profiles, enable them and run the quick preview to verify. Make sure to apply changes and note any instability before moving on. Finalize by creating and saving profiles for different tasks, gaming, video editing, or battery saving, so you can switch quickly. Test a profile. If a setting causes flicker or crashes, reset to default and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the issue. If features still disappear, update the GPU driver or reinstall the Intel Graphics Command Center. One key troubleshooting tip: use Device Manager to roll back or reinstall the display driver when the app won't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.